We are about to paint the whole ceiling and everything else. We're trying to get this trailer ready, get this fifth wheel ready. Hope you like this video. Let's get into it.
Good morning. So we are getting ready to go hook up our trailer, and we're just going to go do some boondocking off Peralta Road, which is really close to our house, so we can start the painting and the actual renovations. Last weekend we did all the cleaning. I think we still have some more cleaning to do, but not much, and so we're going to actually start renovations. So come along and enjoy this journey with us that we're going to be on today, and we will see you in a little bit.
We are about to paint the whole ceiling and everything else. We're just taking, you can already see, we already took some of the vents out. We decided we're gonna take those down because we don't want to paint over them. Some of them we have to replace, so why waste the paint on that stuff? Well, hopefully we can get a lot done today.
We're between Apache Junction, well, technically between Gold Canyon and Superior. We're out off Peralta Road over by the Superstition Mountains. There's a lot of boondocking over here, so we're kind of secluded way back in our own area. That way we can paint, because I didn't want to be near somebody if the paint wafts out of the trailer. I didn't want other people to smell that. So we're kind of in our own little area. There is still traffic going by of people that are going to the trailhead and leaving and things like that. But as far as the space we're in, we're alone and we're quite far from other people. So
When you're getting prepared to paint, it is always a good idea to take out the screws out of the walls, and when you do, you're gonna want to fill the holes with putty and make those holes smooth, so when you go to paint, you're not left with all these little holes that you need to fill in with extra paint. Also, it's a good idea to go ahead and put down a drop cloth on the floor, so that way you can put the paint can on there and put your rollers and whatever else on the ground, so that way if you do make a mess, it's an easy cleanup and you don't have to worry about spilling. Also, you want to go ahead and tape off anything that you don't want to get paint on as well.
Alright guys, so what an exhausting day this was. We got a lot done, a lot accomplished. Got the whole roof painted.
I got the area around the refrigerator painted. I got part of the cabinet painted, pretty much around the microwave. Tomorrow, hopefully, we can take off cabinets in the kitchen and paint around that. We are going to leave the cabinets the color they are, just because I think it'll look nice with the contrast of the color that we chose for the walls. We are very exhausted. The sun is starting to go down. We're going to get ready to cook some dinner, and I think we're just going to kick back and relax for the rest of tonight. And then hopefully tomorrow we can get a few more things done.
Good morning guys. Well, we just had our breakfast. We're having some more coffee. We're just getting ready to do our next phase of painting. We're gonna tackle taking off the cabinet doors. We're gonna do some touch-ups, do the trim, and then start on the walls. Hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, make sure you smash that like button as well. Give us a comment down below what you think of the renovations so far, and let's jump right into it.
When you are doing cabinets, you want to make sure when you take the screws out, you are putting those in a safe space. Also put the doors in a safe location. And then you also want to mark them with tape, so that way when you go to put the doors back on, you know exactly where that particular door came off from.
Again, did a lot today. Super tired. at the end of the day. But we hope that you enjoyed this video. We hope you enjoyed coming along with us on this journey.
As we always say, always remember to cherish the journey and cherish the moments that you're in. This was definitely exhausting today, but it's a part of the journey that we're on in life right now, and we really took the moments to just cherish this journey that we were on this weekend and continuing to renovate our camper and make it our own. And it's going to be really nice, and we're going to be able to enjoy it because we've created it the way that we want it.
So if you want to follow us along on our journey, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give us a great big thumbs up. It really helps us out.
And don't forget to hit that bell notification so that way you're notified every time we release a new video.
And with that, guys, we'll see you on the next one.
Peace.
Peace.